Duplex stainless is a term that all of us have heard about, but most don't know what it is. Erez here, from the Machining Doctor website, and in the next 2 minutes, I will demystify it for you. Duplex stainless steel alloys have a two-phase, austenitic-ferritic structure. They benefit from the advantages of both austenitic and ferritic properties, leading to increased strength, higher toughness, and broader corrosion resistance. Chromium content can reach 30%, much higher than austenitic alloys. The nickel content is between 4 and 7%. Duplex alloys are non-magnetic and cannot be heat-treated. They provide higher corrosion resistance and tensile strength relative to austenitic alloys. This comes with the price of very poor machinability, between 20 to 30%. The most popular duplex alloys are alloy 2205, also called F51, and alloy 2707, also called A276. Popular applications, where duplex stainless is used, are paper production, desalination of seawater, and oil and gas parts. Duplex alloys are classified into 4 categories. These are identified by the pitting resistance equivalence number, nicknamed the PERN number. It is calculated based on the chemical composition of the alloy. Chromium content, plus 3.3 times the molybdenum content, plus 16 times the nickel content. Higher PERN means more strength and corrosion resistance, but lower machinability. Lean duplex has a PERN of less than 32, standard, 32 to 39. Super duplex is in the range of 40 to 45, and hyper duplex, anything above 45. I hope you are now a bit more familiar with stainless steel duplex alloys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.